Now I am looking for gate number 9. Let's see. We are finally going to board the plane.
OMG, time flies pretty fast. Mom told me no one's everlasting. 5, 4, 3, step out of the nest. Let's first start straight away. I don't wanna waste my time complaining. I don't wanna trade places, but no one ever breathes. My eyes shut down before I realize all the real minute I'm living. I don't wanna shit, no, I don't wanna. No, no, all I want is live, love, cause we never know, life's too short to be taken for granted. Funny how it all looks different. The guy used to
khusus untuk menaiki pesawat terlebih dahulu. Terima kasih di atas kerjasama anda.
Attention please, you may be required to
taking you in this moment. Come get close like your name. Read your aura, you want more of all this love you'll be